Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The MLA of Mawphlang Constituency and also President of the Shillong Sports Association, Eugeneson Lyngdoh Mawphlang, had expressed great shock and concern on the recent suspension of the All India Football Association by FIFA. Speaking to reporters on the issue, Eugeneson Lyngdoh Mawphlang recalled the earlier years when cricket was a popular sport up until the coming of football a few years ago. He added that since then, football has become an attraction to the youth of the state and the country, where they look forward to watching special matches being played throughout the world, the nation, and even of tournaments conducted by clubs in their own states. However, terming the suspension of the All India Football Association as a huge surprise, Lyngdoh said that the dreams and future of players and young aspirants to the game have been short-lived.
Yaka jing kring jong ke football namta ka rihi brokaway namta kumbalong menchua ni jule cha kelai sodong kari teng iba ka cricket kare kaway ka sport ka kring bahai khana henry haki katne ka to snam namta kalon na kompong namta ki khana brokot ki kwa bin ka football ki khana umde tangane me apo ka jalaw jong ni ka India hi brokaway te ka approach kajing pet kajing quality jong kena sepang football hapo kari ka ade gawai menta ndai tan menta ka ISL ka I-League enrai menta ki state league hir kumjo nama kumenta kumakalong mentai kum yangi lese kumangidan ka klub po Shillong ka ikan I men semi ngila bentuk mesin ken dakam don galenti ka babiang mo tada ka khanglat kumni ka Aiff ka Fifa ya ka Aiff te kalong ka iki basosi kalong ka lawai jong kena kalong hakasa ka jingdom tengah kermen ba KA ka banwan hakini kisngi ki masayat kalong KA ka babah tam namata ka football ri ya ka ri ga jongi pro